Spending hundreds on supplements every month? What if I told you that 2 simple kitchen ingredients could replace half your medicine cabinet? And they cost less than $5. Today we're diving deep into an ancient Ayurvedic secret that's been transforming health for over 5,000 years. The powerful combination of garlic and jaggery, consumed together on an empty stomach, offers incredible benefits that modern science is finally catching up to. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why eating garlic with jaggery every morning could be the game changer your health routine has been missing. And stick around because I'll share the exact method that maximizes these benefits, including the crucial mistakes most people make. If you're ready to discover natural immune-boosting secrets, hit that subscribe button and let's unlock this Ayurvedic morning ritual together. What are these ingredients? First, let's talk about garlic. This isn't just a flavor enhancer for your pasta. Garlic contains a powerful compound called allicin, which only forms when garlic is crushed or chewed. Think of allicin as nature's antibiotic. It's responsible for both garlic's distinctive smell and its incredible health benefits. Here's the key. Allicin doesn't exist in whole garlic cloves. It only forms when the enzyme alliinase meets the amino acid allicin, which happens when you damage the garlic by crushing it. Now, jaggery might be new to many of you. It's an unrefined sugar made from sugarcane juice or date palm sap. Unlike white sugar, which is stripped of all nutrients, jaggery retains its natural molasses, iron, potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins. You can find quality jaggery at Indian grocery stores, Whole Foods, or online. Look for organic, golden brown pieces. Avoid anything too dark, which indicates overprocessing. But here's where it gets interesting. When you combine these two ingredients, something magical happens. The 7 surprising benefits. Benefit number 1, supercharged digestion. Poor digestion affects millions worldwide, but this combination addresses gut health from multiple angles. Garlic acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut microbiome. These beneficial bacteria are essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and even mental health through the gut-brain connection. Meanwhile, jaggery provides easily digestible carbohydrates and iron that support digestive enzyme production. Together, they create an optimal environment for healthy gut bacteria while reducing harmful microorganisms. Many people report reduced bloating, improved bowel regularity, and decreased acidity after just a few weeks of this morning ritual. Benefit number 2, immune system fortification. In our modern world of stress, pollution, and constant exposure to pathogens, robust immunity is crucial. Garlic's allicin demonstrates powerful antimicrobial properties. It's antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. Studies show regular garlic consumption can reduce the frequency and duration of common colds by stimulating your natural killer cells, macrophages, and lymphocytes. Jaggery supports immunity through its iron and zinc content, essential for white blood cell production and immune communication. The antioxidants in quality jaggery combat free radicals that weaken immune function. This natural immune booster provides both immediate antimicrobial protection and long-term immune system support. Benefit number 3, powerful detoxification support. We're exposed to toxins daily, from air pollution to processed foods to household chemicals. Garlic's sulfur compounds enhance your liver's production of glutathione, one of your body's most important detoxifying agents. Your liver uses glutathione to neutralize harmful substances and prepare them for elimination. Jaggery contributes through its iron content, essential for healthy blood production and circulation. Better blood quality means more efficient transport of nutrients to cells and removal of waste products. Regular consumption helps maintain your body's natural cleansing processes, supporting both liver and kidney health while promoting the elimination of accumulated toxins. Benefit number 4, cardiovascular wellness. Heart disease remains a leading health concern, but this combination offers comprehensive support. Research shows regular garlic consumption can help reduce blood pressure, particularly in people with hypertension. Allicin relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow, reducing strain on your heart. Garlic also helps lower bad cholesterol while potentially raising good cholesterol. Its sulfur compounds prevent cholesterol oxidation, a crucial step in arterial plaque development. Jaggery's potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium effects, while its magnesium supports proper heart rhythm and muscle function. Benefit number 5, sustained energy release. Unlike refined sugar that causes energy spikes and crashes, Jaggery provides complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly and steadily. The B vitamins in Jaggery play crucial roles in converting food into cellular energy, supporting everything from brain function to muscle performance. Garlic contributes by supporting metabolic health and improving circulation, ensuring efficient oxygen and nutrient delivery to cells while helping stabilize blood sugar levels. Benefit number 6, respiratory support. Garlic functions as a natural expectorant, helping break down and expel mucus from respiratory passages. Its antimicrobial properties combat respiratory infections while reducing airway inflammation. Traditional medicine has long recognized garlic's effectiveness against coughs, colds, and congestion. Jaggery provides respiratory benefits through its minerals and soothing properties, helping coat and calm irritated throat tissues. Finally, benefit number 7, bone strength and inflammation management. Both ingredients contain anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammatory markers throughout your body. Jaggery provides calcium and phosphorus essential for bone strength and density. These minerals work together supporting bone formation while preventing age-related bone loss. Since chronic inflammation contributes to numerous health issues, this combination provides valuable support for overall wellness and healthy aging. Now let's talk about the proper method, because getting this wrong can reduce the benefits significantly. Start with 1 small, fresh garlic clove and an equivalent-sized piece of quality Jaggery. Here's the crucial step most people miss. You must crush or mince the garlic first to activate allicin formation. Use the flat side of your knife to crush the garlic, then chop it finely. Combine it with the Jaggery piece and chew both together thoroughly. This ensures proper mixing and optimal digestion. Follow with a glass of room temperature water, then wait 30 to 45 minutes before eating breakfast or drinking coffee. This timing is essential for maximum absorption. For beginners, start with smaller amounts, maybe half a clove with proportional Jaggery, and gradually increase as your system adapts. Consistency is key for cumulative health benefits. Important warnings. Before you start, there are crucial considerations. If you're taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin or have upcoming surgery, consult your healthcare provider first. Garlic has natural anticoagulant properties that may interact with medications. Some people may experience initial heartburn, especially those with sensitive stomachs. Start gradually and listen to your body's response. For garlic breath concerns, chew fresh parsley leaves or drink lemon water after your morning ritual. These natural remedies effectively neutralize garlic odor. If you have GERD, severe acid reflux, or any chronic health conditions, introduce this combination slowly and monitor your response carefully. Conclusion and call to action. This simple Ayurvedic morning ritual demonstrates that powerful health solutions don't always require expensive supplements or complicated routines. The garlic and Jaggery benefits we've explored, from immune system support and digestive health to cardiovascular wellness and natural detoxification, show how ancient wisdom combined with modern science can transform your daily health routine. Remember, sustainable health improvements happen gradually through consistent, gentle actions. Give this practice several weeks to reveal its full benefits, paying attention to improvements in energy levels, digestive comfort, and overall well-being. If this video helped you discover a new path to natural wellness, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Health Morph for more evidence-based health tips. Have you tried this morning ritual? Share your experience in the comments